I like trains.
Hello everyone. This video features a catch of the Bessemer and Lake Erie northbound miscellaneous train heading through downtown Grove City. Like last video, Locomotive 868 and EMD SD38AC was leading the way. However, instead of Locomotive 905 trailing second, Canadian National put one of their EMD SD70M-2s, number 8876, on this miscellaneous run. So the lashup on this train was quite strange, and I honestly don't know why they didn't use 905, but we will never know. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video of the miscellaneous train heading northbound through Grove City.
Be great.